So we want to use our angle pairs here. So they're telling us AC is parallel to EG. They're also telling us JA is parallel to HB. So let's use that first. So JA here is parallel to H. If I could draw a straight line. HB. All right, so those two lines are parallel. So let's look at what they have first with 68. So we have a transversal here. AC is our transversal. So we know that we have 68 and then angle 1 here. They're on the same side of that transversal. They're both on the left side or the bottom. And they're interior because they're between the two red lines, between the two parallel lines. So they're same side interior angles, and we know that the lines are parallel, right? They told us here that these lines were parallel. So since our lines are parallel, our same side interior angles are going to be supplementary. So they're going to add up to 180. So we can do 180 minus 68. Okay, which is going to give us 112 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 is going to be 112 degrees. Same side interior, supplementary, so that's 112. Okay. F and 112. So again, if we were to draw on our lines here, EG is parallel to AC, right? And then if you look at this transversal here, we again have same side interior, right? So the 112 and the F are on the same side of this transversal. They're both on the left side, and they're interior because they're between the two parallel lines, so between the two blue parallel lines. So let me just erase this one because we're no longer looking at this one. Okay. All right, so same side of the transversal. Right, they're both on the left side here, F and 112. And then they're in between. They're on the interior, so same side interior. We know if the lines are parallel, the same side interior angles are supplementary. So again, we can do 180 minus 112 and arrive at 68 degrees. Okay, so F here is going to be 68 degrees. Hard to see a little bit. F and 3 are vertical angles. And we know vertical angles are congruent. So we know that the measure of angle 3 is going to be 68 because vertical angles are congruent. Okay. And then our last one here, we got to find angle 2. So again, we're going to have another angle pair. So we know we'll use our last one here. We'll use JC is parallel to KJ. So J. Okay, well, that one's not relevant to us. I lied. We're going to go back and use the first one here. So let's just do it in red. Okay, JA is parallel to HB. If we notice these two angles here, 2 and F, are alternate interior angles. So we know alternate interior angles are congruent. So we know the measure of angle 2 is going to be 68 degrees as well. So you got to use your angle pair relationships for these.